Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add Zoom to Slack. Want to start a Zoom meeting directly from your Slack workspace? Slack and Zoom integrate perfectly, making it easy to schedule or launch a video meeting right from a chat. In this tutorial, I'll guide you through the quick steps to connect Zoom with Slack and start using it right away. Let's follow these few simple steps. The first step is to go to slack.com/apps. Let's go to that website. Let's type in slack.com/apps. Now you need to log in with your account's credentials. Once logged in, the second step is to search for Zoom and then click on Add to Slack. After that, select Zoom and click Add to Slack button and you'll be taken to a new page. Here let's look for Zoom. Just type in Zoom in the search bar and as you can see this is the first result. Now you're gonna install it, click on it, install it and click Add to Slack, and then you'll be taken to a new page where you will click Allow to give permissions. As for the third step is to sign in to your Zoom account. You'll be redirected to Zoom. Sign in and authorize Slack to access your Zoom account. Now for the fourth and final step is to start a meeting, and you gotta type /Zoom, and then you can schedule meetings using /Zoom schedule, and Slack will display the Zoom link in the chat and everyone can click to join. Remember, only admins may need to approve the Zoom app before you can use it. Let's go into the Slack app. And here you can write the command /Zoom to start a Zoom meeting. And that's it. Zoom is now fully integrated with Slack. You can start meetings, invite teammates, and keep communication seamless, all without leaving your workspace. Remember, you can also connect your Zoom calendar to Slack for even smarter reminder and auto-join feature. And this was it for today's tutorial. If you like this video and found it helpful, please like and subscribe, and feel free to leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching, and see you again in the next tutorial.